Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today. And I am back in my kitchen in Australia. Yeah, some of you regular viewers know I've been hopping back and forth between Kenya and Australia. But yeah, just for now, I'm back in my Australian base. And today, later on today, or quite a bit later today, I'm going to be watching my football team play, the Mighty Dragons. And I want a snack for that, and I've come up with this idea for some fried chicken wings, and I'm going to do them Jaffna style. But I think they're going to be really good. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to marinate my chicken wings, and I've just got a large tub of Greek yogurt, that's just any sort of curd, like so, into my bowl. Now the reason this is Jaffna is I'm going to be using my Jaffna curry powder, and this is a really spicy mix from Sri Lanka, extra hot. You can substitute any sort of curry powder you want, but I think you want a spicy one for this. Well, I do anyway. It's freezing cold here, and I'm going to put in a tablespoon of that. Next, I've got a big knob of ginger that I've grated. That's going in. And I'm going to whack in 2 heaped teaspoons of grated ginger or minced ginger. And last but not least, I'm just going to put in a sprinkle of ground turmeric. And I just want about a teaspoon of that, and we're going to mix that all up. Now once that's stirred up, I've got here 1 kilo of chicken wings, like so. And actually this video would actually qualify as a budget special as well, because these chicken wings were very inexpensive. They were on special. So $4.99, that's, I don't know, I think that's probably about $7 or $8 US a kg. Pretty good value. They're nice meaty looking wings, and we're just going to stir those through. And in actual fact, I'm going to use my hands to make sure those wings are totally covered with the yogurt, which, as we know, not only carries our flavour, our curry flavour, ginger and garlic, but helps to tenderize, makes the flesh nice and soft, and keeps our chicken juicy. Alright, I'm going to leave those sit for about 4 hours. Alrighty guys, so here we are about, it was about 4 hours later. I'm now just going to get our coating mixed up here. Very, very simple. I've got some semolina here, and I'm going to use 1 cup of that. Into a bowl. And I've got some rice flour, and I'm going to use 1 cup. And I'm just going to combine those two, the semolina and the rice flour. Then I'm going to take my chicken pieces, my chicken wings, one by one. I'm going to take them out of the marinade. I'm just going to shake off any excess marinade and just drop them into that coating. And I'll just put them aside while my oil is still heating up. And I'll get on with that and I'll get back to you. Alrighty guys, so like I say, I've just been heating my oil up. I've got my tray of chicken wings now, all coated. And I'm just going to cook these in that oil, just a few at a time, maybe 2 or 3, we'll see how we go. Let's get them going. Alrighty guys, so I've given them all one fry. Now in order to try and get these super crispy, they're already pretty crisp. I'm going to start again now with the ones I first took off. I'm just going to give them another quick deep fry. Yeah. And another thing I neglected to mention, that marinade that you saw me make at the start, I forgot to film it after I turned the cameras off. I did actually add some salt to that as well. It's quite important. Alright, let's get a second fry going. So guys, for this second fry, we're just doing a lot quicker and a bit higher temperature. I'm just going to get them on my rack again to rest. and I'll continue that with all of them again. Quick double fry, and we'll be ready to go. Alrighty guys, I'm going to make this a quick wrap up. Footy's about to kick off. I've got my chicken wings here, hot, steaming, ready to go. I just want to, show you one. Now I've just got some lemon wedges to go with it. That's all I want. Let's grab one. And I might just rip it apart. It's super crispy by the looks of it. Yep. Well, yeah, let's have a look. You've got to love fried chicken when you're watching a footy game. And that double frying, that's the key. Alright, let's taste it. Man, that is absolutely delicious. That Jaffna spice is just delicious. Really, really nice, and it's permeated into the actual chicken. Oh man, that's nice. Yummo. Alrighty guys, like I say, I've got a footy game to watch. So, thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who's subscribed to the channel. Really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet and you're enjoying these videos, can I just ask you to hit that subscribe? Apologies there, my battery just died, but yeah, I'm just about finished anyway. As I said, if you're not a subscriber, can I ask that you hit that subscription button? It's no obligation to you, but it really helps my channel out. I'd really appreciate it if you could do that for me. But if you don't want to, no worries. I understand. Alrighty, I will. See you all next time.